Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you could link out to a specific collection page in your Webflow project. So if there was a specific blog post you wanted to link out to, I'm going to show you how you can set that up. So this example right here, I have a hero section with two link blocks. One of them is a link block that says start your training today that links out to a contact page. And the second one is a link that says read our latest blog post. And I have a CMS collection set up, so let me show you that real quick. It's called Baseline Blogs, and I currently have two blogs, right? So let's go back into designer mode to page view. And let's say you want this read our latest blog post to always link out to the most recently published blog. What you could do is I'm going to click on my button group where I have my two link blocks. And I'm going to add a collection list. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command E or Control E. And I'm going to add in a collection list. And I'm going to connect it to my baseline blogs. And then what you could do is you could add in this button into the collection item. And it's going to show two of them because I had two blogs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our collection list wrapper and then go to our settings. And in these settings, we're going to go down to sort order. And we're going to go by published on, go newest to oldest. And then where it says display limits, we're going to limit items to show only one and start at one. And then we're going to select this link block we just added in the collection item. And where it says link settings, we're going to go to this purple outlined one that says collection page. And we're going to tie it to our current blog post. So my example, the current baseline blog. Then if I go and preview this, it takes me to the most recently published blog. Now let's go back to the home page for a second. Now let's say you don't always want it to be the most recently published blog, but instead a specific blog at all times. Well, what you could do is I'll undo this collection list. So unconnect this and move this link block out of this collection and delete the collection list. What you could do is, let's say you want it to be a particular blog at all times, right? You can go up to your collection list and select the blog post you want to link out to. So let's say in my example, I want it to be this what to expect at your first tennis lesson. I could click on it, and then we're going to copy this link right here that appears under the slug. And we're going to copy this. Now, there's one extra step we have to do, because when you copy this, it's going to copy the entire link, including the Webflow staging URL. So once this is copied, you could open up a notepad, or in my example, I'm using the command spacebar, and I'm going to paste this in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this starting at the first /. So I want to include everything from my collection name and the collection item itself. So I'm going to highlight all of this up to that first /. So I got my first /, and I'm going to copy. So I'm going to hit Command C. And I'm going to go back to my page. And the settings for this link block where it says URL, I'm going to paste it in so we can see it starts at that /, the name of our collection, and then the specific collection item. And then if I go and preview, it takes us to that same particular blog post. So there you go. Those are two ways that you could link out to a specific CMS collection item in your Webflow projects. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.